Okay, I got rid of some more files. I don't know how much better I can do than that. She's pretty much hanging out. I think she might be drinking. She's kind of got her face planted on, I don't know if you consider that a soft spot or a hard spot. It seems like on top would be armor, but of course there's spaces I'm sure she's aware of. She just sort of just stayed there. Just got her kill, other kill, sort of strung out between the wings, which is weird. The other kill is a crane fly, if you know what that is. She's gonna be big lady on the campus after this. So anyway, I don't even know if I finished the story. I started 50 times during this video. So there was a sad looking spider that had the same markings on, I assume, his legs, and he was hanging out in the periphery, and he would make a couple of moves, couple of steps towards her web from what you see in this video right now, that trim on the side of the house. Her main web was further up by the light and stretched out. Not a good web maker, whatever spider this is. The web is very chaotic, not very uniformed. It's sort of just really all over the place. Not pretty. Very thin though. Super invisible, but ugly as far as webs go. But effective. And he hung out for a while. I don't think he ever got to mate with her. You could just tell that's what he was up to though, because he would dance his front legs, you know, tapping them and stuff, which I assume was on a piece of her, one of her anchor threads. I know they do stuff, weird stuff like that. It's supposed to be like alluring in the spider world, I guess. She never paid him no mind though. And I think he eventually just died because he was